a wheel has diameter 84 centimeters. How many complete revolutions must it make to cover a distance of 792 meters? In this question, the diameter of wheel is 84 centimeters. And we have to find out how many complete revolutions we will make to cover a distance of 792 meters. Whenever a question is given, we should be very careful about the dimensions. We must see whether dimensions are same or not. So here it is centimeters, here we have meters. So distance covered in one revolution equals circumference of wheel, which is equal to pi into 84 by 100 meters, because we must change centimeters into meters. Therefore, number of revolutions will be 792 divided by pi into 84 by 100. This is equal to 792 into 100 upon 22 into 84 and into 7. We simplify this. 7, 1, 2, 11 2s are 11, 7 and 2, 12, 6 72 and 2, 3s are, so we get this to be equal to 300. So therefore 300 revolutions must be made to cover a distance of 792 meters.